What's up, YouTube? Welcome to episode 303, I think. I don't know, man. It's been a lot of episodes. And look at this. We got a lot of mail again. We have been sending out, I think I sent 200 out last week, but we had been sending out, 50 to 100 the last 3 weeks, maybe. So we probably have 400 requests out right now. So this is what we got today. I started looking through some of those cards that I think I showed you guys what I got. But see that 1, 2, 3, 4 stacks right there? Oh, there's 4 stacks. All I looked through was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like set boxes. And I already found 4 stacks of TTM. This is all people that sign. This is all like star cards and stuff. There's some inserts. I might show you here when I'm done with this. But here we go. Let's get right at it. We like it when we get mail. Filippiano, 72, 78, 79, and 74. Very nice. We got an index card. This is Tom Donahue, 81 Donruss. There's a team card. And 81 Topps. And an 80 Topps. What do we got here? Bill Castro, 81 Topps, 79 Topps, 78 Topps, and a 77 Topps. And this is bugging me right here. We got, who we got here? Willie Mays Aikens. Got the 80 something. Got that. I think that's an update, or yep, that's a Fleer update. And a Topps card. So we like those. And we got Jim Clancy, 78 Topps, 83 Donruss. And one of the Topps big cards. I feel like I'm cramped here today. I don't have a whole lot of room. Oh, I forgot to pull out the index cards, so I didn't have my letter there. He didn't sign any of the index cards, but it's Matt Snell, 70 Topps, and got a Kellogg's card. Got one of those. I got one of those. Getting a little bit of everything today. That's what we like to see. Here's another index card. Tom Brennan. I think he signed 3. 84 Fleer, 84 Topps, and an 82 Topps. There's an empty index. 81 or 87 Fleer, 83 Donruss, and an 81 Fleer, Bill Campbell. Like I said, I'd hate that I didn't take these index cards out first. We got Bob Johnson, a couple 75 Topps, and I think that one he did in ballpoint pen and didn't like it and then grabbed a Sharpie. So we got 2 of the Sunoco's signed also. What we got here? Bruce Benedict, 90 Topps, 89 Score, 88 Topps, and an 89 Bowman. There's is this my letter? Is this index card? Marty Lyons. Pro set. 86 tops. 89 tops. 83 tops. Okay. This one, he signed my letter. And I had one card of him. So an 88 Max Dave Pletcher. These 88 Max cards are pretty hard to get. So I'm going to try to get as many of those signed as I can. Like I said, I got a Richard Petty the other day. I'm going to get signed. Here's Tom Peck. Like I said, I got to take these letters out next time. Like I said, it's unbelievable how many people leave the letters still in them. So, and they don't take the letters out. What do we have here? This is cool. I told you the Wood family is pretty awesome. Both Eddie and Lynn signed that one. And then Lynn signed that one and that one. I sent 5 to those guys. The Wood family's awesome. Like I said, if there's other people on the cards, they'll do, they'll get them done for you. This looks like it's a signed index card. That looks like Bobby Daughter, I believe. We got Max, Finish Line, VIP. I am running out of room. I think this is the last one anyway. I don't think I have a letter in here. That's Leroy Jordan, 70 tops, 4 tops, and a 68 tops. I like that 68. All right, so how many did we get today? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 today. That's pretty good for a guy that usually gets none. So, like I said, we've been working hard trying to get some stuff done. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I want to thank everybody. Got a pile of envelopes here. But I want to thank everybody for signing my cards. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll show you some of this stuff here. Like I said, I got that trade. There's all kinds of stuff. I mean, these are like some newer, like inserts and stuff. And some of that archive. And then there's some old stuff. Hall of Famers and stuff. A little bit of everything. Bunch of these, whatever these things are called, X-fractors or refractors and mini refractors and stuff. There's tons and tons of stuff. But all these were either seemed like they were inserts, or I grabbed some of the ones that were like rookie cards. Like if they said rookie card, I was going to see if any of them were any good, because like I said, I have no idea who even plays baseball the last few years. I don't even know what years these are. But it was just some cool stuff. And like I said, we were just looking through this kind of stuff. And I mean, there's tons of stuff. A lot of these guys signed or have signed in the past year. I'm kind of waiting for some of these guys because they used to sign like a year or two ago, but sometimes, their returns are a year or two apart. So maybe they will still sign. So I'm going to test some more of them. But like I said, most of these guys sign like Jody Davis signs for $5. Gorman Thomas signs for $5. Can't remember if some of these guys sign or not. If I have a question if they sign or not, I go ahead and pull them. And then I try to keep pulling them. That way I can like double check them like whenever I'm doing that. But like I said, there was a ton of 83 tops. There's a ton of 82 Fleer, a ton of 84 tops. Like there's, most of that's 83. And then there was like a 93 set that I busted. And then this stack over here is like some 70s. Not like, I mean, it's like 79 and 80s. Not like 70s. There's some 80s. Just a little bit of everything. So tons of TTM FUEL. Just like I like. That way I can send out more stuff and you guys can see all the adventures and stuff that we get and you can send to your favorite athletes. That's the whole object of this channel. So you guys can find out who signs. Because, like I said, I started out watching Michael Myers and Brandon Stebbins. And I would watch their TTM things. I watched them for like a year. Because I used to do this in the 80s. But then I quit. But probably from 80 to 87 to 2000, I think I did it. And then I quit in 2000. So I hadn't done it for like 20 years, and I started out almost 2 years ago. And the rest is history. I have probably 28,000 different autographs now. So I've been a machine the last couple of years. But thanks for listening to me ramble. Thanks for checking out my stuff. We'll try to show you some more stuff. I have another video that's going to come out. And like I said, we'll try to film a little bit each time. I'm sure you guys don't want to look through all of it, but I thought I'd just show you some of the, at least what I'm finding. I've been finding some really good stuff. I mean, I really have. So have a good one, guys. Peace.